Hi guys, it's Taylor from West Michigan Air Duct and HVAC in Jenison. I hope everyone's having a good day so far. I just wanted to remind you guys that it's probably time to get your AC tuned up here in a couple months. Before it gets too hot, we recommend that you get your AC serviced at least once a year to make sure everything's running properly and functioning okay. Just like your car, you have to get oil changes and checkups for the car to run a long time. Same goes with your AC. The longer we neglect it, the more you're going to have to pay in repairs and potentially even have to replace the whole unit. So just one tune-up for your furnace and AC a year is more than okay. It's just a good preventive maintenance so issues in the long run don't happen. Another reason you should get a tune-up is to maintain your warranty. So York, our supplier, they have a 10-year parts and labor warranty for every equipment that somebody buys from us, but the requirement is that they have to get their AC or furnace serviced every year. So you can't neglect your equipment, otherwise you're not going to get your warranty, which I think is a good kind of policy to have, just to make sure your equipment does run efficiently and long, and it can save you money in the long run. And then the third reason why you should get your AC tuned up is definitely because it can increase the HVAC system's efficiency. Obviously, if everything's working in tip-top shape, it's going to run smoothly, it's not going to work as hard, and it's going to save you money on your utility bill as well. So if you have any questions about our AC tune-ups, they are $79. But if you have any more questions, you can comment down below or give us a call. Thank you.